Hello, students. This is Jeremy from Whimsy, and today we're going to talk through how to create basic stories using movement and talking. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is access our example code for today. You can find that in your classroom. For most classes, it's going to be under My Classes, and then it's going to be under the Studio Practice. So here, let's just go to Studios and then Practice, and you will see a code called Story Template. You can click on this, and then there will be a button that says Remix, and you can press that so that you can edit the code and save it as your own. So I don't have the Remix button because this is my code, but you will see a Remix button right here. You can press that. Okay, you can press See Inside, and then you will see this code. Okay, now for this story, we're not going to worry about the characters or the background. We're just going to worry about the movement and the talking. Okay, so we're going to pretend that these purple dots are your characters. You can pretend they are any character you want. It could be a bear, a butterfly, one of your friends, a tree, any character. All right, and we're going to program them to move a little bit and talk a little bit. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is make sure that your characters begin and end on their colored squares. Okay, so I'm going to drag my circle over to my square, and I'm going to see that its coordinates are -21 for x and -3 for y. So I'm going to enter that here at my go-to block so that at the beginning of the code, it goes back to the square. And now for my story, I'm just going to have, as an example to you all, I'm going to have my characters meet in the middle and say hello to each other. Right? So I'm going to come here. I know that the middle of my grid is x equals 0, y equals 0. So I'm going to write, I'm going to write glide over to x equals 0, y equals 0. I'm going to say hello, and then I'm going to move back. Now for my other circle over here, I'll do the same thing. I'm going to check my coordinates, x equals 171, as you can see down here, and then y equals -14. And then I'm going to glide to, I don't want them to be on top of each other, so I'm going to send this one to x equals 20 and y equals 0. He's going to say hello. Now, I don't want them to say hello at the same time, so I'm going to throw in a wait block. I know my first character is going to talk for 2 seconds, so I'm going to wait 2 seconds before talking. So it should be roughly timed that way. Let's give it a try. Hit play. One character says hello, the other character says hello. I think I made a mistake with my circle because it didn't go to the center. So let's give that a try. Oh, I see. Okay, so time. I press the green flag. One says hello. The other one says hello. And then that's the end of this story. Now, I want you all to work on something a little bit more complicated than this. Maybe they say a little bit more, they play together, they dance together, something like that. But this is just a quick example to show you all how all the moving parts work. And then the important thing is at the beginning of the code, you press green flag, and they start back at their squares using this go-to block at the very beginning with the correct coordinates. Awesome. Well, can't wait to design this project more with you all. Good luck with your coding, and I will see you all next time.